Shay, you will not relax now. Let me show you how you can start your own oat digestive biscuit business. This is very crucial. It's very easy, and believe me, this is one way you can start an amazing oat digestive biscuit business. So relax and watch this video to the end so you start your own business and make money. Yeah, so first start with 110 grams of butter or margarine, but butter is the best. Now to that, you add 40 grams of icing sugar and combine just as you see in the video. Just make sure everything is combined. Then go ahead with 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Here you have 100 grams of whole wheat flour and you have 60 grams of oat. You can use raw oat to grind it a little bit, or you can use the white oat. I use white oat. Then you go in with 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of my combo flavor. I have shared this combo flavor with you guys, so I'll maybe dropping the link in the comment section anyways. Now combine everything just as you see in the video. I forgot earlier, you're supposed to be adding 10 to 20 grams of milk powder. Yes, in this recipe you don't need anything like liquid milk or liquid anything, okay, or water, anything liquid. Just combine it just this way and you're good to go. Yes, your dough should look like this. Now the next thing you're going to do is get a baking paper or any non-stick wrap or anything that is non-sticky. Use it to roll out your dough. Now if you have a cookie cutter that can give you the same size of cookies, fine, go with it. If you also don't have, you can just use your eye tentatively to make sure you have absolute same cutouts, or if you know any way, any shape at all you want to cut, but make sure that your dough is not too thick and it's not too thin after rolling it out. If you don't want to also go by rolling out, you can also go by this method of measure where it in balls. Then you can go ahead, use your fork to give it designs just like this. So anyhow you want to just shape your cookie, you can go ahead, or to shape your biscuit, but make sure that it is not too thick, it is not too thin. If it is too thin, it can break easily. If it is too thick, then it will not cook perfectly inside. So just note that. Now once you are done, place everything on your baking tray with the baking paper. Then use your fork to poke holes on the cookies just like this, or on the biscuits just like this. Remember, what we are making is oat digestive biscuit. Believe me, this tastes absolutely delicious. So once you are done, go ahead and bake this in your preheated oven. Make sure that your oven has been preheated for like 10 minutes at 180. Then you reduce the temperature to 120 and bake for 20 minutes, or according to your oven temperature. Yes, so once you see them browning around the edges, take them out from the oven and then place on a cooling rack to cool down completely. Make sure that when you are placing on a cooling rack, you have to be very careful, because at that point they can easily break. So once they are completely cooled, then you can handle them. You find out that they are going to be crunchy, crispy, name it. And trust me, people will love this. People will absolutely love this. Yes, so tell me why you can start your own cookie or biscuit business after watching this video. That means you are not ready to start. So go ahead, package your biscuit and take it out and make sales. Guess how much I have packaged this and how much I'm going to sell them? If you know, drop that in the comment section, and see you in my next one.